Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this really cool case from Humixx. This is the Humixx MagSafe compatible built-in stand case, and this is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's also available for the iPhone 15 Pro, and the one I have is the matte case. You can see it has a nice matte finish, and then the blue sides. They also make a crystal clear one, so very similar, but the sides are a little bit more shiny, and then the back is crystal clear. So they've got both versions of the case depending on what you want to use. Some of the advantages of the matte case is no fingerprints. Matte cases don't show fingerprints, which is great. The advantage of the crystal clear case would be that you can see your phone a little bit better through it. But I have the matte case. That is my preference. And this is a really cool case. It's got that really cool border on the outside and a nice grippy border. We're going to put it on my phone in a minute so you can see it on there. It's got the kickstand, which is my favorite feature. Not only that it's there and built in as a kickstand, which allows both portrait and landscape mode, but I love that it has this little notch which makes it really easy to pull down. I had a similar case that did not have that notch and it was really hard. Anytime I wanted to pull it down, it's like I couldn't get it. This has the perfect little notch, so it's really easy to pull it down. So yeah, this is the case. Let's get it on my phone because that's what we want to see. We want to see how does it actually work on the phone. So get my phone on there, and you can see it goes on really easy, and here we go. Just a really nice, simple, cool case. It has a 14-foot military drop protection. It has nice, slightly increased corners to protect your phone. Obviously, if you're using a case, you're using it because you want to protect your phone, and it will do that. It's got the raised bezel around the cameras. It's got the raised lip around the front. It's got your covers on your button, your power button there, nice tactile feel, as well as the action button and the volume rockers. Great cutouts on the bottom so that your USB-C port and speakers are all accessible, nothing is blocked. So just really excellently designed case. But with this, you get extra functionality. This is a fully MagSafe compatible case. Very, very strong magnets inside this ring. So if you put this on a car mount, if you use this with a MagSafe mount by your bedside, no matter what you do, this is going to work with that. Fully MagSafe compatible. It's not going to come off. Even if it's on your car mount and you're driving down a super bumpy road, this is going to stay on because those magnets are really strong, which is really great. But then you have that added functionality of pulling that down, and now you've got a stand. You can put it in portrait mode, vertical mode, or you can do it in horizontal landscape mode, and it works just great with no problem at all. Another sort of bonus that I like about this is if you put it like this and put it between your fingers, then it sort of serves as like you don't have to hold your phone, because holding your phone like this all the time, really bad for your hands on the long run, but you just stick that between your fingers and it's not going to slip out. So I like to use my phone if I'm going to be holding it for a long period of time. I pull that down and use it like that. That way I don't have to grip the phone with my thumb. So really excellent in terms of the way that works. Yeah, just a really great case. You can see that nice matte finish on the back. You can still see the Apple logo through there. But you don't get fingerprints on the matte finish. Matte finishes don't show fingerprints, which is one of the advantages of them. But it still looks great. I love the metallic look of the ring in the center. Kind of stands out. And then the nice kind of deep blue around the borders. Just a very good looking case. Works great. Protects your phone. Gives you all the added functionality of the stand, but keeps it fully MagSafe compatible and keeps it protected. Anyway, yeah, really great. If you're looking for a great case that protects your phone and gives you a little bit of extra functionality, then this kickstand case from Humixx is definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll answer you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.